I picked up a 1970 Chevelle, which I presume to be a SS car. The car did not have the factory driver's seat in it, and it did have the rest of the interior with the factory interior. It did have a rally dash with the SS steering wheel. It was a 4-speed 396 car. It does have the SS specific steering coupler on it and the sway bar. Also hideaway wipers. Date coated wheels with YO. A CW 12 bolt rear end. And also a heavier 3/8 fuel line with, it looks like a 5/16 return line. Tell me what you guys think.